Temu Free Gift. Here's what gifts I got for free from Temu. Everyone's talking about Temu's crazy low prices, but not many people realize there's an entire free gift program hidden inside the app. And yes, I've personally tested it. I actually received 3 real gifts shipped to my doorstep without paying a single extra rupee or dollar. So today, I'll walk you through exactly what I got, how it worked, and how you can unlock the same rewards using code FRD210654. Enter the hidden free gift code. Once you open your Temu app, go to the rewards section or tap free gifts on the homepage. You'll see a little box saying enter code. Type this in carefully, FRD210654. Right after entering it, the app refreshes and shows you a message like, "Congratulations, you've unlocked the free gift program." 2. Check your gift center. Now, tap on Profile, Free Gift Center. Here, you'll see a list of products that Temu lets you claim for free when you complete a few simple actions. 3. Complete the simple tasks. To do tiny tasks before claiming your reward. For example, browse 3 recommended products. Add 1 trending item to your cart. Invite a friend or share a link. Step 4. Add your free gift to cart. After finishing the mini tasks, go back to your free gift center and tap Claim Gift. The product gets added to your cart with a $0 price tag. Step 5. Keep checking for new rewards. Temu refreshes its reward inventory frequently. That means every few days you might find new products available for free. So yes, the free gift program actually works, and I've tested it myself. Just remember, use code FRD210654. Claim your gifts. Simple, official, and 100% free. And let me know what you get from Temu next.